Did you know that over 80% of ChatGPT users aren't utilizing its full potential? Crazy, right? Imagine what you could achieve if you tapped into the strategies that only the top 1% know. Stick around because today we're diving into those secrets that can transform your ChatGPT experience. So, what's the deal with ChatGPT? It's this incredible AI tool that's taking the world by storm, helping folks in everything from writing and coding to brainstorming and problem solving. But here's the catch. A lot of people are still scratching the surface. Today, I'm going to share 11 game-changing strategies that can seriously elevate how you use ChatGPT. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. Let's get real for a second. Many users run into common pitfalls when trying to make the most of ChatGPT. Ever typed in a question only to get a generic response that didn't quite hit the mark? That's a common challenge. A lot of people forget that context and specificity are key. Without clear instructions or enough background info, ChatGPT can only do so much. Plus, many users don't realize that they can guide it to produce results that are tailored to their needs. So, if you're one of those who think ChatGPT is just a fancy chatbot, you're missing out. Time to change that narrative. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff. Here are the 11 strategies that the top 1% of ChatGPT users swear by. 1. Be specific. The more detail you give, the better the response. Instead of asking, "Tell me about dogs," try, "What are the top 5 dog breeds for families with kids?" 2. Set the tone. Want a professional vibe or something more casual? Just ask. You can say, "Explain quantum physics to me like I'm 5 and watch the magic happen." 3. Use follow-up questions. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification or more details. If the first answer isn't quite what you wanted, ask again. 4. Create scenarios. Frame your questions within a context. For example, if I wanted to start a podcast about tech, what should my first episode focus on? 5. Ask for lists. Lists are super helpful. Instead of a paragraph, just say, "Give me a list of the top 10 benefits of meditation." 6. Format requests. Need something structured? Ask for bullet points or a table. "Can you summarize this in bullet points?" Works wonders. 7. Incorporate examples. If you're looking for advice, provide an example. "How can I improve my writing skills?" like in my last blog post about travel. 8. Experiment with prompts. Don't be afraid to try different ways of asking the same thing. Changing your wording can lead to surprisingly different responses. 9. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming. Stuck on an idea? Use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner. "Help me brainstorm ideas for a birthday party." 10. Request different perspectives. Ask ChatGPT to provide viewpoints from different angles. What would a scientist say about climate change versus a politician? 11. Challenge ChatGPT. Play devil's advocate. Ask it to argue against a popular opinion to see how well it can defend a different stance. And here it is, the most impactful strategy that can completely change your interaction with ChatGPT. Prompt engineering. This is all about mastering the art of crafting your prompts. Think of it as the ultimate key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential. When you learn how to structure your requests thoughtfully, you'll discover a whole new level of responses that are tailored, insightful, and relevant. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. So to recap, we've covered 11 killer strategies that can help you use ChatGPT like a pro. From being specific and setting the tone to experimenting with prompts and challenging the AI, these tips can lead to way better outcomes. Remember, it's all about how you engage with the tool. Now, I want to hear from you. Which strategy do you think will be the most helpful in your own ChatGPT journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more insights, don't forget to check out my next video, where we dive deeper into advanced techniques for even better results with ChatGPT. Catch you next time.